Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have this very easy cranberry shimmery look. So the palette I'll be using is the Jaclyn palette. This is the volume 2. I'm going in with the shade Crazy, and I'm using a flat brush. I'm just going to be applying it all over my lid. I did prime my eyes before. I used this Shade Tape concealer like always in the shade medium. So yeah, I'm just going to be blending out the Crazy shade all over my lid, and this is going to be a very easy look because I'm only using 2 shades. The next one is the Empowered shade. I'm using my finger and just applying it all over my lid and tapping motions. So I'm using this eyeliner and I'm just going to draw a very thin line on my lash line. It's just going to help blend in the falsies with my natural lashes, and you know, the band will not be so obvious. And for the lashes, I'm using the Cavalli lash, and these are in the style King. They're very pretty. They're not, you know, I wish they were a little bit longer, but yeah, these is actually my first time trying them, so I did really like them because they're very comfortable and the band is very flexible. So yeah, I'm just gonna be applying these on. Now using the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, I'm just going to be applying it on my waterline. Then I'm going to go in and pick up a little bit more of the Crazy shade and just blend it across my bottom lash line. Then I just applied a little bit of mascara, and this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!